Now is the best time in history to start a software business. I really mean that. I'm Theo Saville, co-founder and CEO of CloudNC. I co-created with my co-founder a piece of technology that makes it possible to tell metal cutting robots called CNC machines how to produce components very quickly and simply in the way that a 3D printer can. So CNC, computer numerically controlled metal cutting robots. You put in XYZ coordinates and a metal cutting tool will move around a work area. You can think of it as 3D printing in reverse. You start with a block of metal, you cut it down. The machines that we control, which make hundreds of billions to trillions of dollars worth of metal components every year for every conceivable industry, those have to be programmed manually, painstakingly by hand. And the software that we built makes it much, much faster and much easier to do this. A little bit like having ChatGPT write an article for you, which you then polish. It's a lot faster than writing everything from scratch. That's the kind of value that we bring. The first Lightbulb moment was simply the realization that the problem was not solved. All of these machines sitting there doing nothing because they were being programmed by hand. There are not enough people in the world to tell metal cutting robots what to do, and that slows down everything. If you could get metal parts made next day rather than in 10 weeks, the entire engineering industry would speed up by a very significant factor. So I just thought, it really wasn't more complicated than in my mind than just AI plus this problem. You have a file and you need another file. Do a technology, that must be a thing. 10 years of building a business like this, especially when so much of it came without revenue, almost every problem that is possible to face in the business of a startup, I feel like we have taken that hit and survived. But the greatest challenge that we've ever had, or the consistent one, is always being able to get the very large amounts of money that we needed to pay our huge software engineering teams to work on the problem. I think it's impossible to predict at the moment because the pace of technological change is so rapid right now that my friends and I who are working in AI barely know what's going to happen next week, never mind in 5 years' time. One trend is the cost of developing software is trending towards zero. The speed of developing it is trending towards zero. The number of employees needed to build a software company is trending towards 1. I think that we'll probably see, the first unicorn company built on a single person at some point in this decade. But the reality is, nobody knows. Even the smartest people in AI that I know, nobody agrees really on what's going to happen. There's just too many unknowns, and it's going to be a fascinating time ahead of us.